So here we have spent brewery grains from Black Narrows and Chincoteague. This comes as spent grains, and then we soak it again. We add a pretty generous amount of sea salt and then fill it with water to soak the entire thing. Some people try to dry out their spent brewery grains. That does not work well because they will then grow mold. You're not going to dry them out all the way. If you soak them, they will last pretty much indefinitely. And what you're really stimulating is a kind of sauerkraut process, a souring lactobacillus dominant culture, which will make a lot more vitamins and nutrients out of what was relatively poor in terms of nutrient density when you got it from the brewery. This is one of the three things that we feed regularly to our animals. We soak our grains, we soak our spent brewery grains, and we feed the barley. So everything we're doing, we try to keep alive.
And another really nice thing about soaking the spent brewery grains is it makes it much safer to feed to ruminants that have a more sensitive digestive system, like the sheep and the goats.
And that's why you didn't see us feed them today, is because I like to let them sit for 2 weeks for their secondary fermentation. If you give raw, fresh spent brewery grains to ruminants, it can cause bloat, which...
It's fine to give it to the pigs, but really it's healthiest to ferment it for everyone.
Yeah, the pigs won't get bloat the same way because they can basically eat anything. But in terms of getting the best amount of nutrition from these, you'll want to soak them. And that's what this is.